Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Wow, what a day. What a day. What a day. So there's so much to discuss, so much to talk about. It's been an incredible day, an incredible journey. So many things to talk about today. Let's get straight into it. Let's first of all look at my positions live right now. There you go. Look at that. From 34,000 to 41. That's a big swing, right? That's a big swing. $7,000 swing from $34,000. Sorry, what am I saying? $38,000. I beg your pardon. $3,000 swing. I forgive my maths there for a moment. And let's get straight into the trades. If it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell and let us know you're here. We are coming up to our first year birthday. Congratulations, Marty. I'm happy for you. Thank you so much. I did actually take a lot of your advice today and act upon a lot of it. And I will discuss that with you, exactly what I did. I did a lot of trades, took a lot of profits, re-entered, and I'll explain how I did it without having to take my averages up or anything at all. It worked out very, very well indeed. Let me just correct a screen. I've got a slight issue there with a docking screen. Let me clear that. That's better. There we go. All right, let's get straight into our trades right now. Let me just correct a few screens. We had a little bit of a glitch there. That's better. Right, so there's my portfolio right now. As you can see, 40,900, 41,000, looking much better. Why has this happened? Let's discuss it. Tesla. This morning, oversold, and what I did, I bought and sold several times with Tesla this morning. I had 13, 12 shares of Tesla throughout the afternoon in between the opening and closing bell. Each time I did it, I made a few bucks, not a lot, but the reason why I did it, market profit, was right. Over the last few days, we've lost a lot of money, and Tesla turned down. I've managed to lower my average now to 869. Lovely. I've managed to lower my average and increase the amount of shares I have, which is great. And each time I did that, I was able to buy and sell. Each time buying for lower, by the way, and bringing the average down and making a few dollars profit each time. Not a lot, but a few dollars profit each time. That way, if the market did plummet, I would have still had my a good share of Tesla, but I was selling all the time, making a few little nibble profits along the way, and that was good. That was good, and I don't feel bad that I've sold, and I could have kept those shares. I've still got 12. That's fine. It's still 12.5% of my portfolio, which is great. I then made the profits and put them into VU. Which I will share with you right now. Let me bring up VU. I put them into VU, which is good, stable. It's like parking your money in a safe place. Put it into VU, and that way I took the profits out of high risk, still keeping myself in Tesla, but giving myself the opportunity as well to park the money in VU. Apologise, I'm getting a little bit glitches. I know why this is. My screens are a bit slow today because I've made many videos and the computer's going, restart me, I need a break. I've been going all day. So there you go. I am now flat with VU, but I now have 35 shares. Of course, I've got the dividend payout a couple of days time, so that'll be great. I'm now up on VU. There we go. Managed to correct all of that, and now, as you can see, I'm making money. Look at that. Look how quickly that's going to go up as well. Wow, look how quickly that's going up. $9.53. See it? Look, $11, $12. See how quickly that's going up on VU? Whoa, love that. That's why I park my money over there, so it's safe, or relatively safe, as much as you can on the stock market. If you're watching live right now, why is nobody coming into the chat? What's going on? If you're watching right now, smash the like button and come over here come into the chat. Let me hear from you. All right, that's what I did there with VU today. So looking wonderful, right? Tesla is still going up. Robinhood tonight. Now, why have all these high-risk stocks, which are overvalued, blah, 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 why have they come back like this? Well, the reason, in my opinion, this is only my humble advice. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is why I bought into them. Remember, I only buy into stocks I believe and feel good about. And Robinhood its earnings will not be good. Amazon's earnings will not be good. Apple's earnings will not be good. Google wasn't great. Facebook wasn't great. But the price has already been built into the stock. The bad news has already been priced in. Now you might say, no, it's not. It should go down even lower. Well, sentiment, remember, is forward thinking. People are buying into shares of where they see the stock going. So at the end of the day, Robinhood, in my opinion, even though it's not making money right now, it's a great stock for the future and people want to be in. So it knows it's not a great stock. It knows it's not a great earnings report tonight, but it's better probably than anticipated. The only thing is we got to look out for now, will it all crash down afterwards? Martin, what is your balance? I just got here. My balance is now 41. Oh, we've just lost the camera. Oh, we're back. There we go. We're back. I've never had that before. That was weird. If you lose a camera, you normally lose it big time. But we're back. That's a bit strange. Anyway, good. My computer is screaming at me because I've been live. I did a Discord chat with one of our sponsors and friends. One of the family, Alex Budget. We were in there for an hour on Discord having a chat. Anyone could have joined in. I also made lots of Premier videos, competition videos, all out to promote the channel. They were all out as well. So there we go. Fantastic. I'm up to 41.1. Up today, 1,200, and I was down 3. Here he is. Nudge it, budget, move it. Talking of nudge it, budget, move it. Here he is. All right. Tesla now then. Tesla is just up and Robinhood is up as well. There we go. Let's go through. Rivian is up. Virgin Galactic. Look, I didn't actually manage to pick up any more. I always told myself I wouldn't. I'm disciplined. I stuck to it. Even though it went below my price and even though I believed it would go up, I didn't buy any more. Didn't overspend. Didn't overuse margin. Tried to make some margin out. But I do believe in using margin at 3% in this market. I do. So I'm still in. I'm using it. Paul, Hood is pumping because I sold yesterday. Yeah. Always the case. I hold my stocks. I trade them. And I hold them at the same time. So do micro trades alongside the rest of the ones that you want to hold. I was down 6% when I left earlier. Now I'm only down 3%. Good stuff. Markets like the thought of the US entering into a recession with that horrific GDP print. Does that mean point? I'm reading Market Profit here. That means Fed will print. Oh, that means Fed will print more money and not raise rates. Oh well, that's why you have crypto, right? Because we keep printing money. That's why you got to park some of your money in Bitcoin and leave it alone. And I've done that. There it is over there. Look, there's my Bitcoin. Leaving it alone. Leave it alone. And Ethereum, leave it alone. Coca-Cola, great, 0.9 up today. Google up 4.5%. I'm still down 8%, but I'm not buying any more right now. I'm giving it time. Apple is up nearly 5%. Great. What are the earnings going to be tonight? Boeing. Now, Boeing, I'm looking to make a trade if it hits 160. It's already there. That'll clear more margin, make some more profits. So there we go. Total return, I'm still down 17% on Rolls-Royce. I was up big time on Rolls-Royce for a while, but there we go. Only a small investment now. I made my money on it a long time ago. On is up 6.8, still down 5%, but everything now is returned. Now, what does this show you? What does this tell you? This tells you the markets right now are not individual markets on their performance. It's the overwhelming forward sentiment of where we're going in the future. Otherwise, why are all these stocks up together the same amount? Why? Well, the answer is inflation and the war. In my opinion, the war is the biggest issue because the markets trade on uncertainty and knowing where we're going. All right. Now then, this is a very, very good time. We are trying to get to 3,000 subscribers this week. We want to celebrate it. We want to be able to increase our cash prizes. We want to be able to do more for people. We gained more members today. We got a lot of tips and support for the channel today. Thank you for all of that. Absolutely fantastic. Appreciate it very much indeed. I've just realised I've got 2 hoods open. Let me close one of those. Let the computer have a bit of a break. End of the month portfolio balancing. Everything is oversold. Everything was oversold. And I'm glad to see it coming back like this. Absolutely great. Absolutely fantastic. All right. But we're not out of the woods yet. Not until I hit $50,000 and get plenty of wiggle room are we out of the woods. I'm not... jumping up and down and getting all... I'm excited, of course. I'm always excited. I'm always happy, of course. But I'm not jumping up and down until we get nicely away. My margin now is 35. 35.9. 35.9. So it's gone up to 36,000 now. So now we've got a margin of $4,000. 35.9, that's 36. That's $5,000 away from margin now. This morning we were 3. Much, much better. Okay, much, much better. William Caron is here. It's because there's still a lot of liquidity, but they'll be changing over the next couple of months. There we go. This is the bottom of the moon. This is the bottom to the moon from here, boys. ARKK to $100. Space to 20. I reverse that. I actually will not reverse it, but I say space will be 100. I've been saying it. I've never doubted it for a moment. I see the in the UK the work going on with the spaceport. I know Richard Branson. I know where that's going behind the scenes. I know where that's going. All right. Now then, would everybody do me a favor? Right, there's nothing to watch here for 15 minutes. Nothing to watch here for 15 minutes. We've got the earnings in the next 15 minutes. Not much going on. The last half an hour, it'll get exciting. But would everybody kindly do me a favor? I'm trying to get some viral videos, only a couple of minutes long each. You do me the absolute greatest of honor if you just all disappear for 5 minutes. And watch these 2 videos. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by Monday morning. And if everybody out watching now goes and watches my 2 premieres, there's the first one. There are 2. There are 2. All you got to do is watch it all the way through. It's only a couple of minutes. Watch it all the way through and leave a comment, please. And like the video. That will really, 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 really help me. There are 2 videos there. I'll post it again. There's 1 and there's 2. If you wouldn't mind, they are relevant for tonight's earnings. They're important videos. You can help the channel grow a lot. If you just take a 5-minute break, put those back, go sub my channel too. Ali, we are going to do your channel. Don't you worry about that. I got the email about accepting your invitation to manage your channel. I will do that. I will put it on the homepage and it will be in tomorrow's show. It'll be in tomorrow's show. Your channel will be on my homepage tomorrow. And shall I even get done by tomorrow morning, your promotional testimonial video? Shall I make a promise? Shall I make a promise that'll be on your video, on your channel tomorrow? Oh, shall I do that? Can I promise that? I can promise that. I can promise that. All right, we'll do it. Tomorrow we will promote Ali Isles' YouTube channel. I will be the manager on his channel. I will make a video after the earnings. It's earnings tonight as well, isn't it? Okay, I've made a promise. I'll do it. I will do it. I will do it. Even though I've got earnings, I will do it. I want to do it for you. You've been a great loyal fan and a friend and a supporter of the channel. We appreciate it. So after the earnings tonight, after earnings from Robinhood and Apple and Amazon, because we're going to cover all 3, it's going to be an amazing way to do it. I will, after that, make your testimonial video, access your account, upload the video. No, don't promise. I'm promising. I'm promising it's going to get done. And in the morning, around about the cash prize giveaway, everybody will watch your video. You watch. It's amazing. Everybody will watch. Everybody will subscribe. And it'll be great. So let's take a 5-minute break. Everybody, do me a favor. There's not much to watch here right now until the half an hour. In the last half an hour, here are the 2 videos. Has everybody gone and done it? Here's video number 1. Hang on. Hang on a minute. What am I doing? Here's the live show. Where has that gone? Oh, I see what I did. Premieres in 15 minutes. Yeah, we've premiered it. It's already premiered. What you're talking about? All right, the 2 new premieres that just came out. All right, and yeah, here we go. So there are 2. Here's the first one. Go and watch this now. Leave a comment, and then come right back. It's relevant for tonight's show. There we go. There's that one. There you go. If you don't do it now, you can do it after the show, but whichever. And there's the other one. I think that's right. Yeah, there you go. That's right. Alrighty then. Trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by Monday. We are now at, if anyone's interested, 2,950. There we go. We're trying to get there by Monday. Back hood will be interesting. Yeah, we are covering hood tonight on the earnings. It's going to be all 3. We are going to do something pretty cool. We're going to cover 3 earnings at the same time. Not audibly, of course. That would be chaos. All right. But then our show is chaos anyway. So why not? Why not cover all 3 at the same time? That would be great. Why not do that? All right. So let's do it now. Let's do a poll. Here's the poll. Who's joining me after hours hood Amazon hood Amazon and Apple earnings. There you go. Hood, Amazon, and Apple earnings. Who's joining me? There you go. 4 p.m. So it's an hour after we finish. We've got 40 minutes to go, and we'll be doing that. All right. Woo! What a day! What a day! What a day! Life in the fast lane. Life in the fast lane. How fast can you? How much can you put in your life before you die? Gosh, I'm making so many videos, doing so many hours. It's ridiculous. I should be growing. Well, I am growing. I am growing extremely quickly, but we're growing strongly. That's the key. And of course, we have the cash giveaway in the morning as well. Let's have a look. 18 views on the space. There we go. Look at that already. Hood earnings, space stock. Yeah. Cash giveaway, yet 19 views each. Yeah, looking good. Everyone's watching them. Everyone's watching and commenting. Amazon and Apple will miss. They will. We expect it. I think Hood and Amazon are down enough to be able to survive a big washout. I think Hood and Amazon are down enough to be, yes. But for the life of me, I can't see Apple not going down 20% today. No hype. I just know what that means. I just know what that means. I don't even need to ask. I get hashtag no hype.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
There we go. Space I added this morning. Nice one, Martin Reddin. Nice one, Martin Reddin. He added some space this morning. I didn't actually buy any more. I said I wouldn't. Because I think 1,001 shares is more than enough. I do not need 10,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. I mean, you could argue if I bought 2,000, I could sell 1,000 at the $30 mark and then keep the other 1,000 to the 100. There is that way of looking at it, the long-term trade and the day trading. So you cover yourself. You buy, okay, I want $2,000. I want 2,000 shares of Amazon, of Virgin. That would be like 16. What would that be? That would be $16,000. Okay. As it goes to $30, you sell half of them. You've still got 1,000. That's the way to make yourself very wealthy, right there. And I could have done that this morning, but for me, it would have to go down to $5. I never see that happening, but you never know. Or, okay, or unpredictable. Engagement rates, 88.93%. That's how you know it's a good channel. Where are you seeing that? Where are you seeing engagement rate, 88%? Uzumaki, what do you mean? Engagement rate, 88.93%. That's how you know it's a good channel. What do you mean, Uzumaki? What are we talking about? Am I missing something? Am I missing something? What have I missed? 88.3. What's all that? What's he talking about? I know what engagement rate is, but we're talking on this video. What we're talking about? Some massive puts coming in for Apple. Let's have a look. Apple. Now, Apple, I could sell. I could sell my Apple. I'm up 2.5%. I could sell Apple and then buy it back tomorrow. That's an option. That's an option. Let's have a look at our different things. Uzi has hacked your account. 600 million worth of dark pool prints. Let me have a look. Let's have a look. We can afford to sell some stuff now and not feel out of the markets. Right, let's have a look. Amazon, yep. Amazon is down 2.9. Yep, I think Amazon is low. Let's get some context for Amazon and see where it's been. It's had a bit of a hit. We're up today, which is great, but are we going to suddenly go lower? Okay. Apple will fall. I would bet my grandma on it. Oh, that's pretty confident. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, Amazon, I think Hood is low enough. I agree with that. Let's have a look into Apple. Let's have a look into Apple. We've probably got another half an hour before it comes out. Apple will fall. Yeah, Uzumaki. I'm waiting for Uzumaki to come back and say what does he mean by 88.93% engagement rate. What do you mean? Where are you reading that from? Or have I missed the point? Uzumaki. Over the last 5 years, I don't see it going. I don't see that. I don't see it crashing. John, a recession bring risk on for tech. Will a recession bring risk on for tech? John Frank. Will a recession bring risk on for... Absolutely. Absolutely. It will. We're waiting to hear back from Uzumaki what he meant. I want to know what he meant. And I'm looking at Apple right now. I have made a profit on Apple. I haven't got a lot. I agree Apple is getting behind the curve. I could sell Apple right now. Remember, though, Apple is the biggest part of VU. Apple is the biggest part of VU, but not all of it. Let's get that absolutely straight. Apple is 7%. 7%. So it's a big part, but it's not the only part. Today, steel was Tesla, 1 at 834 and 2 more at 8. Yeah, I did the same thing, giving me 10 shares, average base 893. Lovely. Sorry, I was just flicking through an analytics site and popped the channel name in to see what it would say. Oh, right. So is that what my channel says? Is that what my channel says? That's cool to know. Engagement rate, 88.93%. That's how you know it's a good channel. Is that my channel that you did? And pop the channel name in to see. You had him worried then for a minute. No, you didn't have me worried. I'm just like trying to understand because I use all that sort of stuff all day long. And it's a very complicated subject. So I wanted to ask and learn a bit more about it. All right. So I'm looking at Apple. And I could sell Apple right now quite comfortably. Quite comfortably, I could sell Apple. I would take $1,100. I would have a $31 which is 2.75% profit, which is nothing to be sneezed at. I also shared your 2 videos on Facebook. Thank you very much, Martin Reddin. Thank you very much. If you've just tuned in, we need everyone to subscribe. We need everyone. Look at that. We got 20 watching already. Getting better every day. Has everybody just watched the 2 premiere videos I just put out? I really worked like standing on my head because I was talking on the phone in Discord for an hour with Alex, Nudge It Budget. I've always got time for my family and members and friends and sponsors, always. And I made the videos afterwards, and I made them extra fast, 1 take, edited as I made them. Oh, bloody hell! And then 5 shorts as well. Trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by Monday. I'm just looking at Apple right now. Analysts love it. 78% saying hold it. They tend to beat their expectations. In history, look, they tend to beat their expectations. And looking at that, it wouldn't be as bad as everybody thought. So I would say it wouldn't drop. Going on what's happened with Google, going on what's happened with Microsoft, going what happened with Facebook, I will say, looking at that, it won't drop, bearing in mind how much we've already lost out of the stock. So there you go. Calls being, as I said, Friday will be green. You did say Friday will be green. This is just fluff, Martin. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Hi, Paddy. This is great. 22 people. So it's been an amazing day. We've gone from 38,000 up to 41. 3,000 swing. Not bad at all. I managed to make some profits. I managed to trade. I managed to get more shares. I managed to pay down margin. It worked out very, very well. And we're trying to get Peru. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by Monday. We are now at 2,950. And I think I can do it. We've got the cash giveaway in the morning. I've just put out more videos. Tesla at 827. Warren Powell. Nice. Warren Powell got Tesla at 827. Congratulations to you. Lovely stuff. Mine is now down at 869 average. I've got 12 shares of it. 50 to go. Yeah, 50 to go. And I am pretty confident I can do it by Monday. I'm really confident I can. I've put out a lot of videos today, a lot of content. It's all getting watched. Look at my watch time increasing all the time. Look at this. And look at the numbers now. All the videos, it's like 20 videos all being watched at this precise moment. Right at this precise moment, there's about 20 videos all being watched. I don't know if you can see that, but these are the list of videos. And right now, there's about 20 videos being watched right now at this precise moment. And it's nearly someone is watching my video. Someone is watching the content of the day trader 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's always somebody watching something 24/7. It's an amazing feeling, right? Amazing feeling. Anyway, Warren Powell, nice. How many shares you pick up? The Robinhood analysis is analysis into Apple. The Robinhood analysis into Apple. The Robinhood oh, I see. I get you. Yes, you're talking about the into Apple. You're talking about this. Let me go to it again. You're talking about the analyst here. This here. The analyst. This here. Yeah, I know it's a generalization. It's fluff, but it's not as detailed as what you're talking about. I totally agree with you. But anyway. Let's have a look. Where are we right now? Okay, we're at 41.1. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. Over there on TikTok, how are you doing? You're a bit lonely tonight. Don't know why you don't come and join us on YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? Why don't you come and join us on YouTube? This Delta squeeze is epic. Something big is happening. This is highly unusual. This aggressive moves on low volume. This is the biggest day for indices since 2020. And the only news is GDP contracting. I think we are already in recessions. Everything is down 60+%. Where did you get that number from, John? I don't see that anywhere around. I don't see we're down 60%. Where are you getting that information from? For today. Warren Powell got forced. Nice. Warren Powell. Let's celebrate Warren Powell today. Warren Powell got 4 Tesla shares today. Very, very nice indeed. Congratulations to you. Thank you very much for sharing that. We love that. All right, if you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my TV studio. I'm here in Texas. Let me give you a wave. There you go. And if anyone donates $1 during the show, I go to the piano and play the piano for 1 minute. 1 minute, $1. And if you want a song, that's $10, and I'll do you one of my 14 voices in 7 different languages. I can be the voice of Elton John, Paul McCartney, Louis Armstrong, Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, all these different voices, Eric Clapton. If you want that, just let me know. Market, do you think there's a trend anymore? No trends anymore. Market, do you think there is a trend anymore? No trends anymore. You're kind of answering your own question, Mike. So 41, just falling off a bit. Vanguard, S&P, Tesla, holding up. I've got 12 shares of Tesla now. Rivian up. Virgin Galactic up. Didn't take long to bring that profit back. I was down $50 and I'm now up 325. That's a swing, isn't it? Amazon, we've got the earnings. Let me see how many people are joining me tonight for our triple earnings report tonight. We're going to cover Hood, Amazon, and Apple all at the same time. If you want to see how I'm going to do it, join me for the chaos. The chaos and craziness of the day trader. You know it's real. You know it's live. Everyone's going to be involved. The trend is your friend and it's down. Don't fight the Fed or momentum. There you go. Market profit is coming in now. Twitter is pumping up again. I'm not in Twitter. In fact, yeah, I am in Twitter. I got one. Only because I wanted to see what would happen when it goes private. I've already made my money on Twitter. I'm out. I think it's a bit of a joke right now. Anyway, they are so many earnings today. There are so many earnings today. Yeah, but I'm covering those 3. Can't cover them all, right? Most people are covering 1. I'm doing 3. While standing on my head and spinning on a stick. Easy. Meta is up 18% and held all day long. Very, very nice. Gauls Guggenheim, Lucid, Robinhood. Now then, let me open up Discord right now. Open up Discord and go into the broadcast lounge. The broadcast lounge is now open. If anybody wants to call in, you can call in live to the show. Discord is now open. You can have your say. You can come live on the show. If you want to come on in, say hello to the world, wish everybody well, whatever you like, you can call in and I can record you as well, and then we have you on the show. Like Alex, nudge it, budget, move it.
Follow Martin's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
That's right. What about Bubble on his cruise ship?
Welcome to The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join The Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
What about Tom, CNB Studio?
Best YouTube channel in the world. It's great family, great support all round, not just for Martyn's channel, but for every channel that you guys come and watch. So that's why you need to be part of the Day Trader family.
All right. I'm not doing it again, Ali. You can't have it again. Here's Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. There's no hype coming up tonight. You've already had it once. Don't come on here. Don't come on here trying to control my show. It ain't going to wash. Right. Welcome the voice channel, the voice lounge, the broadcast lounge. It's open. If anybody wants to come and join us, please feel free to come and join us. Go on. No. Can't make me. Can't make me. The only way is a super chat. No one's done the super thanks yet. I want to see who's going to be the first person to do a super thanks. And then they are then funding the new series of videos. There's a special series coming out about how to get into investing. And the people that do super thanks below the comments in the videos will get credited in the video. It's going to be very, very cool and live forever on YouTube. Very, very nice. It's a way to get famous. Really, really good. Very good for your channel if you've got a YouTube channel, whatever. So there you go. Try that out. Super thanks, it's called. It's a little heart below the video. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up, just popping back a little bit. Amazon just falling off a little bit. I want to hear Martyn sing Summertime by Will Smith. You want to hear Martyn sing Summertime by Will Smith? Is there a song called... I know there's a song called Summertime, but is it by Will Smith? I didn't know that. I didn't know that at all. Over on TikTok, how are you doing? Did you make your money back? Just came on. Yes, I did. We're all good. Everything's looking fantastic. What are the best stocks for options trading today? I can't tell you, but my options traders can. If you come onto YouTube right now, the link's in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1, or click on the all links button. It's in the profile. This is my YouTube broadcast, and our day traders are here, and you can talk to them about option trading. I don't like options trading. I want Martyn to sing Megadeth. There's no Megadeth. I don't know any Megadeth. I tell you, market profit, what I do. As rocky as I get, I can do the voice of Bon Jovi, Live It on a Prayer, or Bed of Roses. I can also do Axl Rose, where I dance as well. You want to see that? That'll cost you $10 though. And Sweet Child of Mine. I can do the Scorpions. I can do the voice of the Scorpions, Wind of Change, and there's one other one I can't remember. Still Loving You, yeah. Bryan Adams, Summer of '69. Do that one. Aerosmith. I can do Aerosmith as well. There you go. You didn't know I could do rock songs, did you? We don't like WS anymore. Who's WS? We don't like WS anymore. How about Twisted Sister? No, sorry. Still Loving You. It's a great song, yeah. Yeah. And if you want to hear it, who's Will Smith. Oh, Will Smith. Yeah. Bill just sent me Summertime. Look at Bill, look. Legend. Thank you, Bill. I'll check it out later on. I don't want to play copyrighted music on the show. But yeah, thank you. Yeah, Will Smith going around punching people in the face. I tell you what, you go into a venue, a nice smart venue with your suit on, and you walk up to the stage and you punch the entertainer on stage and see if you don't get arrested. Try that out. If you're just a regular person and you walk into a theatre, a cinema, or any venue, and you punch someone in the face, keep your wife out of your mouth. That's unbelievable. I mean, seriously, I cannot believe you didn't go to prison. You punched someone in the face, and what amazed me as well, everybody was talking about the punching in the face. Very few people was bothered that he was shouting swear words out from the stage. I mean, you go into a theatre and you shout out what he shouted out at the performer, they would throw you out. They wouldn't then give you a standing ovation for winning an award, would they? I mean, if I went out tomorrow night into a local theatre and I swore, I didn't punch anyone, I just shouted my head off, they would throw me out. I wouldn't even get a chance to come on stage and get a round of applause, a standing ovation and an award. They would throw me out. Forget punching someone in the face, but hey, if you're Will Smith, it's fine. You can punch someone in the face, swear at them, and nothing happens. Oh, God. I would have thrown him out. How he thought that was acceptable is, yeah, I'm Will Smith and I can punch someone, I can shout at someone, and that's all right because I'm an Oscar. Yeah, disgusting behaviour. No other person on the planet would ever have got away with it. In his defence, Chris Rock was making fun of his wife. What do you mean? Every comedian makes fun out of everyone. Go to any comedian's event, and every comedian. I mean, if you go to Ricky Gervais' event, if you're fat, if you're, I mean, it doesn't matter what you are. Blue comedians will rip you to bits. That's comedy. That's what you go for, right? How many times do people make jokes out of people? That doesn't give you the right to punch them in the face. I mean, comedians make fun out of people all the time. That was probably the most lamest joke I've ever heard. That was the most unoffensive joke that's ever been done on anyone trying to offend someone. If you could go around punching someone in the face because they say that, then everybody's punching everyone. A comedian, they'd have to ban comedians. No comedian could ever stand on stage ever again because everybody would get punched in the face. Anyway. Yeah, come on. So you can go around and punch people because they make fun of fun of you for 5 seconds. Yeah. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you, Ali, for turning the show into a circus. Yeah, it's Ali's fault. No, we're waiting for the bell to go, and then we're going to prepare for the earnings. In a land where freedom of speech is so highly valued, there you go. 200 years ago, men drooled in the street with a pistol when they were disrespected. And today, you can't even protect your wife's honour. What do you mean you can't protect it? Of course you can. You don't just punch someone in the face. Joys of being a silver member. Yeah, when you're a silver member, you can say what you like, apparently. I might make that a perk. If you're a silver member or upwards, you can come on the show and you can have a go at everybody. But if you're just a regular person and you're not a member, you got to keep your gob shut. That's like old Jeweled. I thought drooled. Yeah, Jeweled, you're absolutely right. Yeah, but that was a bit of a funny world, wasn't it, as well? Right, I got a problem with you. Let's go outside and shoot each other. I mean, surely, Nicholas, you don't want to go back to that, right? Hang on a minute, Nicholas. I don't like you anymore. Let's as gentlemen go outside and shoot each other. I mean, seriously? Are you proposing this as a suggestion to sort arguments out? Yeah, I'm not happy. Market profits been telling me the markets are going down. I'm not happy. Let's go and settle this like gentlemen. Like gentlemen? One of you is going to get your head blown off. That's all right. So you mean to tell me you traded a ton of steam... Hang on. Somebody just approved it. I was just about to approve that. You mean to tell me you traded a ton of Stream today and you're not going to make a single trade on Stream? Eh? Oh, so you mean to tell me you traded a ton off Stream and you're not going to make a single trade? Because I've already made my money. Listen here, Matthew Stevenson. When you run your own YouTube channel, manage 14 screens live, right? You're literally wired up for static, right? You're monitoring hundreds of different settings live as it goes, and you're trying to invest with your real money. Well, talking to 100 people over here, and you want me to trade as well. I do trade, but I'm having a break. The world would be a lot more orderly. Yeah, probably, and a lot less people be alive as well. The world would be a lot more orderly. Okay. You mean to tell me you traded a ton of... Yeah, oh my God, Nicholas Morello, get me out of here. It's called a ban button. Yeah, that's what we do. We decided that that dueling outside as gentlemen and doing that would be a bit over the top. We just ban you. We just go for the banning option. Yeah. I hope someone besides me picked up Cat. It has come all the way back and about to go green on the day. I haven't. Did anybody buy Cat today? Top tip from Martin. Sounds about right. Censor speech and don't agree with. I'm not censoring anyone. You don't like censorship, but you're quite okay with shooting each other. What? That's censorship. Nicholas Morello doesn't like censorship, but he's okay to have a duel outside and blow your head off. Right. I'm not allowed to ban you for saying something, but it is okay if we go outside and shoot each other. Oh, come on. That's funny. That's funny. Oh, wow. Sometimes someone's sensitive. Nicholas Morello's great. We love Nicholas Morello. He's great. But that does make me laugh, though. You got to be honest. That's a funny moment right there. That's a funny moment in the show. Dueling's okay. Banning is not okay on YouTube. I think he might be the last living American Civil War soldier. Yeah, he is. He's very respectful of history, and I love that. That's what I like about Nicholas Morello. I'm a history man. Ask me about Cornwall. Ask me about England, Henry VIII, all of that, the British Empire, all of that. All that. Hang on a minute. That'll upset the Americans. Hang on. Steady on. Steady on. I can't mention the British Empire. Steady on. We got Americans here. If that's how you feel, Martin, I'm out of here. Eh? What do you mean? I just said you were great. What are you on about? I just said I like what you're talking about. I just said I like your history and your respect for the past. How can that be a bad thing? I've been blocked before for just being... Market says I've been blocked before for just being very... I never blocked you. I never blocked you, remember? My members are very protective of me and the channel. They love the channel and they protect it. There's nothing wrong with that. But once they did, I addressed it. So that's fine. I didn't block you. And I'm friends with everybody. Yeah, you can punch someone for a joke, but don't dare ban me. Even market profits having a go. Look at that. All right, now then. We're getting close. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Then we're going to prepare for the after hours. Yep. So we've got 20 votes, which is 15 people are joining me for the after hours. So let me end the poll. All right. Nicholas Morello's having a laugh. He's having a laugh. All is good on the show this afternoon. Everybody's a winner. Roll up. All right. Did anybody come into the broadcast lounge? No, I might close it down. I simply mentioned a Will Smith song and the chat led into chaos. Yeah, that's all you got to do. All you got to do, Nicholas, is you got to just wind us up and off we go. We're like little wind-up toys on Toy Story. I'm Woody, by the way. I'm Woody. You're just a toy. That was Woody talking to Buzz Lightyear. Who's Mr. Potato Head? I want to know who Mr. Potato Head is, and who's Little Bo Peep, and who is Buzz Lightyear. I'm Woody. You're just a toy. Does anyone else have a clenched... I'm not even going to read that word out. Vanguard S&P is up 2.48. We've got 10 minutes to go. I'd love some sauce for these fries I'm eating. Oh, here we go. Wind them up, stack them up, and knock them down. Here we go. Bill, are you watching, Bill? Uzi Mackie wants some sauce. Uzumaki has come in to stir the pot. He's come in to create chaos. Bill, are you here, Bill, or have you fallen asleep? You normally fall asleep when I mention the source. Are you here, Bill? Chaos has assembled with 10 minutes to go. We are watching this. We are watching the day trader. Awesome barbecue rub. Here we go. It's all kicking off in the chat now. This is where 88% of, what is it, Uzumaki said? 83% engagement rate. That's what this channel is about. 88% engagement rate. These earnings are a nail biter. I had to translate that, but I can do that. I can't remember the last times these reports were so important to markets. Intel reports too. Okie dokie. Big night tonight. We're starting to fall a little bit. Is it going to crash all the way back down again? Well, I took some money off the top. I sold it. I bought a Tesla. I sold a Tesla. Apple. Up to date. Kathy Wood packing her luggage and ready to leave this universe. Oh. The way I see Apple right now is if Apple goes down, I would probably buy some more of Apple. Right? I could sell it now and take, I mean, look, I've made $20. I could sell Apple right now and buy it down. I've only made $20 on it. That's the best I've been for ages, actually. How long have I owned Apple for? It won't make that much difference, to be honest. I don't own enough for it to make that. That's the point. That's what a balanced portfolio is all about. Where's Bill? Bill, we're talking about source here. Bill. Should I phone him up? Get him on the phone. Bill, have you fallen asleep again? He falls asleep more and more often now, I've noticed. Apple is always a good stock to hold, but if it loses 20%, you will just feel like you'll feel like crying too. If it loses 20%, let's get Apple as a good sort. Where's Bill? Bloody hell, Bill! Good report. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. The Englishmen are in the house. Oh, hang on. Is Uzumaki from England? I can't remember now. Is Uzumaki? Because that's a very English dish. Where are you from, Uzumaki? Where are you from? I think it's America, isn't it? I can't remember now. I always forget. If I lost 10%, I'd lose 100. I'd lose 110. I'd lose 2. Yeah, I wouldn't. If it goes down 20%, I'm down $200. I'd just buy more at that point. To be honest, that's the point of a balanced portfolio. My portfolio would not crash on Apple. Obviously, VU would. VU wouldn't like it. VU wouldn't like it. But obviously, VU is 7% of Apple. But, you know, Ireland, that's right, Ireland. Oops, he won't like that then. That's why he's just put in the 4-leaf clover. That's what it is. He's not even going to answer. He's like, you've just upset me now. I'm from Ireland. Don't you link me with those Englishmen. Don't you even mention it. I'm not talking about pork and applesauce. All right, we got 6 minutes to go now before the bell goes. Where are we going to go? How's everybody feel? Everybody good? Right then, we've got the after hours report coming up in 1 hour and 6 minutes. So we're going to end in 6 minutes, take a break. I will set up the shows. I'll be back. We're going to cover Apple, Amazon and Hood. We're going to listen in to Hood while we go back and forth between the other stocks, see what's going on. If Apple drops all the way down 20%, I'll pick some up. There you go. If Hood goes up, I won't do anything. I might trim off the top. If Hood goes down, I will buy some more. If Amazon does anything, I'm not doing anything. I've got enough of Amazon. I'm done with Amazon. It's fine. If it goes down, it would have to go down a long way before I bought anything. And it would have to go up seriously for me to sell it. So there you go. North Alley, but close to the border. I think we talked about it. My family live in Wexford. Got my brother over there. Anyway. Just stay on live. I will post all earnings as they come in. All right. Well, I can't stay on live because I have to prepare for the other show. What I'll do is I'll start the other show as soon as I'm ready, so we start the timer. Okay? So the other earning starts at 4 p.m. So I'll probably be live in half an hour with a 30-minute build-up, so then you can share the earnings there. So market profit, that's a really good help to the show. If you would do that, that would be fantastic. So what we'll do, we'll end the show in 5 minutes. All right? I will then start the earnings show with a build-up, and I'll have a cup of tea while it's running, and people can start coming in, sharing what's going on, and we can build it up with the countdown timer, okay? So we'll be live on the earnings report, and we'll do it that way. Okay? That's what we'll do. All right? So I'm going to end the show in a few minutes, get the other one set up, and then come back early, probably half an hour early, with a decent count-in. Earnings will start coming in 4 minutes. That's all right. As they come in, you can share them. Those are just earnings calls. Yeah, we know that. They're just presentation. I know that. But I get what you're saying. I will hold on a few minutes then. See if we can get in a few minutes. And we can see the reports are getting a bit scary. We can see a little top coming off. Those are just earnings calls, I know. Start coming in 4 minutes. All right, we'll stick around for another 5-10 minutes then. We'll try and get something in, and then we'll take a break, all right? Okay. Let me have a look, see how many people are watching. So let me take a very, very, very quick break. We've been going an hour without a break. I need to get an ad in. 1 minute ad. Skip the ad, watch the ad, take a 1 minute break. Here we go. Here's the ad. We are just taking a 1 minute break here with the earnings coming up. Just a 1 minute break. You can skip the ad and come right back. We'll be right back with you in just a moment. And we're just taking a commercial break just for a moment. We'll be right back in just a few seconds' time. Just bear with us. Those are just earning market profit. What? He's talking about the presentation as opposed to the figures. That's what he's talking about. We understand that. We understand where he's coming from. Okay, we are coming back now from our ad break. And here we are once again. How are you doing? We've just got a few moments to go now. 2 minutes before the bell goes. Remember when I talked about I suspected Tesla would tumble after earnings, turns out I called it slightly early. Yeah, it tumbled before, and but I would say it has more to do with Twitter and Elon Musk using Tesla money to buy Twitter, to be honest with you. And I managed to pick it up, make some money out of it as well. Okay, seeing a little bit come off the top right now, and we're on standby. Market profit is about to start sending in the earnings for us. Absolutely fantastic. Market profit. I am going to do something for you. You've been just thinking of something for a minute. I was just about to make you a moderator so you can post things. But I just remembered it's one of the perks that our members can be moderators. So I can't make you a moderator. I was going to make you a moderator then, but you need to be a member to be a moderator. And that's one of the perks of being a moderator. It doesn't mean you necessarily become a moderator, but after a while, I like to reward people that are members. But it is a members-only perk, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. I just thought out loud. Okay, the bell has now gone. We are into the after hours. Let's have a look. Where are we going? The portfolio is there, and S&P is okay. Tesla holding, Rivian holding, S&P, sorry, Virgin Galactic holding. At the moment, Amazon dropping a tiny bit, Nvidia any second now, earnings coming in. Apple is up after hours. Apple, here we go. Apple is holding. What's it going to do? Any second now. It's up, it's down, it's flat. It's pretty much just hovering, waiting. What did I miss? I love when people come in and say that. What did I miss? I'll just repeat the last hour. Don't worry. I'm here, guys. Hello. Queen of Self-Braiding's here. Intel misses. Everyone's going to miss. It's no surprise. The Queen of Self-Braiding, you missed utter chaos. We're waiting for the earnings. Amazon misses. I mean, it's no surprise. People have lost the Russian markets. It's no surprise. The chat got triggered. Here we go. Amazon sees. All right, here we go. Amazon sees 2Q net sales 116 billion to 121. Estimated net sales 116 to 121. Estimated there. Let's have a look. Let's scroll back down. Amazon, Apple. The markets are dropping slightly. There we go. The earnings are in. Biggest day, really. The biggest companies all reporting today. First time since the war. So it's a very important day for many, many reasons. I think Apple will do well considering everything. That's what I think about all the other stocks today. They all did well considering. That's what I felt about Facebook as well. I think it's already priced in. Virgin Galactic is holding. Amazon down 10% after hours. There we go. There we go. There's Amazon going down. Down 11%. Uzumaki, there we go. Anyone commented trading for the UK? There we go. There's Amazon. What's Apple going to do? Apple's holding. Amazon's gone down 2.6 to 2.6. I've just bought $500 worth of Amazon. The Amazon dip is a lot compared to the miss of less than 5% of what they expected. Jada Cross, thank you. Thank you for what? What did Jada Cross say? Thank you. I just bought Amazon. I bought $500 worth of Amazon. Amazon guidance horrific. Robinhood dived as well. Let's have a look. I've just bought Hood as well. So Hood and Amazon. Let's look at Apple. Apple are holding. Hood. I've just bought Hood and Amazon. And I'm about to trade it back out again. If I can. So I'm still up. It's coming back up again now. Okay. Two eight. 2628. Okay. 0.19 at 28. Right. Right, I'm going to sell Amazon. Just I'm making a profit on that. Hood. Here we go. Sell Hood as well. Sell Hood at 10. What did I just buy it for? 50 shares at 10. Sell 50 shares. I'm going to sell 50 shares at 10. Sell Hood. Limit order. We're looking to sell 50 shares of Very Straight Apple is 10 minutes late. I'm waiting to sell Hood limit order $10, shares 50. Good till cancelled. Sell Hood $10, 50. Review the order. Sell those. Done. That's Robinhood in place, if that pops back to there. And Amazon. Oh, there we go. Ah, damn it, I missed it. That's what I was trying to sell it before. Sell Amazon. Limit order. Limit price 2,800. Shares 0.19. 0.19. Oh, I can't. You can't do that on less than one share. Limit order 2,800. Oh, there we go. Limit order set to Hood misses on earnings report badly, very badly. It's no surprise. Amazon, we just bought. We need to end the show because we've got to come back for earnings. Market going to be red all year when tech fails. S&P, Tesla, we took the profit from there. Rivian, record losses. Okay. Has Apple reported yet? Can't limit Yeah, I know. Can't limit fractional shares, I know. I just tried it now. Amazon loses 7.6 billion on Rivian investment. Yeah, no surprise, but that'll come back. That'll come back next quarter. That'll be temporary. Apple. Has Apple reported yet? Doesn't look like it. Apple's slow. Nope, it hasn't. So, Hood, Amazon, Apple, Sell my Apple. I'm taking profits from Apple. I've just took profits from Apple. Okay. But I'll buy back Apple if it drops. Okay, I've just sold my Apple, but I'll buy it back if it drops. I was only up $22, but I took the profit anyway. Seven shares, 160, so 156. Just sold my Apple. Put the buying power back in there. Picked up some cheap Amazon. Picked up some cheap Hood. And hoping now for Apple to go down, then I can buy in quickly. All right, we've got to get off here and come back for the earnings report in literally 20 minutes. So I'm going to be right back in 20 minutes from now. In fact, as soon as I can end this stream, reset, earnings, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so don't go away. Stay right where you are. The earnings starts here with Hood, Apple, and Amazon. The earnings call. Grab a whiskey, sit down, relax. We're going to watch it. Okay, I've just took the profit from Apple. It looks like it's going down, and I'll buy it straight back as soon as it drops. Okay, I'll see you all back in just a moment or two. Don't go far away. Take care of yourselves and each other.